Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on and how to turn off the function to record microphone sound when we are recording our phone's screen in Realme 14x. So let's open settings first. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience. Then we need to scroll down to screen recording menu. And here we have the option to record sound and microphone. So we have the option to record system sound here, and we have the option to record microphone sound here. We have two switches for our separate audio. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.